For today, we're going to touch on your garbage disposal. So whenever you're using the garbage disposal, do me a favor, make sure you have the water running. We always want to keep it cool because it has a motor that will heat up if you're not running water. A couple of maintenance things that you can do is every so often you could take a bucket of ice, throw the ice down into the garbage disposal. That will sharpen the blades. And then once the ice runs out, turn the water off, leave the disposal running, and pour a little bit of vegetable oil down there. Not a lot, just a little bit, and that will help lubricate the blades. Now, when you guys are using the garbage disposal, I know that can be very misleading. If you go online, you're going to see a lot of different conflicting information. As far as what you could put down these things, I would keep it to like small fruit rinds that will actually give it a nice citrusy smell. You can do small cuts of meat and poultry, scraps of vegetables, but like soft vegetables. I wouldn't be doing any asparagus, corn husks, eggshells, bones, things of that nature can inhibit the garbage disposal from working properly. Should you accidentally overload your garbage disposal and it shuts down on you, check to see if you trip the inline fuse. Most of these garbage disposals have an inline fuse. It's like this little push button that's either on the bottom or in this case, it's actually on the side right here. See that little red button? What happens is if you overload it, it will pop out. All you got to do is just push it back in. Now, I'm kind of skipping my steps here, but turn the switch off, turn the garbage disposal off, because when you push that fuse back in and reset it, it's going to turn on. So turn the switch off, reset the fuse, and then pull the food guard, and then very carefully, because the blades are sharp down here, is see what's in there if anything is jammed up. Now, it doesn't, this garbage disposal that we have here doesn't have it, but a lot of other manufacturers of garbage disposals will have, like right here in the middle of, on the bottom, will have where you can put in, they'll give you like an Allen wrench where you can, you can actually stick it in there, and it's kind of like an S shape or a Z shape, and you can spin and kind of free up the garbage disposal where it'll loosen up any debris or anything that got caught down in here.